Hey guys, it's Jenna. I am taking over the podcast today. So, wow. I mean, that's the only thing to describe April, right? That flew by. So crazy. So, obviously, the reason why April flew by is there was just so much that happened in April, right? Obviously, there's a lot going on. So, let's go ahead and jump into it. So, have you guys ever wondered, right, what your repeat customer rate is? So, through other channels like Shopify, you are really able to see who your repeat customer base is. And based off that information, you're able to tactfully and strategically go after them, whether that's remarketing to them, pushing new products at them. There's different opportunities out there when you're more aware of who your repeat customers are. Now, as you guys know, that's been a struggle with Amazon. Amazon really has struggled to provide sellers with that data, as time's gone on. Well, what's great is Amazon has come up with a solution for this. They have created the Repeat Purchase Behavior Report, which is located in Brand Analytics. For those of you that don't know where Brand Analytics is, that is going to be under your reports. So if you are brand registered, you have access to that report, and you'll be able to gain some insights into your repeat purchase customers. So using this picture really can have a true picture of what that looks like. And obviously there is so much you can do with this information, right? This is just information you never had. So it is incredibly valuable, and there's so much you can learn and do based off this information. One that comes to mind for me, just, off the top of my head is introducing new products, right? Different things like that, where, maybe you didn't know about your repeat purchasers, and now that you do, you can come up with some new products that is able and geared towards repeat purchases. But again, there's so much you can do with that report, and our team's willing to help you with that. Now, our next update is regarding the Amazon storefront. So, as Amazon sellers, it can sometimes feel very limiting, just what you can do to express your brand on Amazon. At the end of the day, you want those customers to know who you are, right? They're not just buying from Amazon, they're buying from a brand. They're investing in your brand. They're being introduced to you and what you have built. But a lot of the time, Amazon listings don't give you that opportunity, unfortunately, right? It's challenging on an Amazon listing to really express yourself. Obviously, there's A+ content, but even that is pretty minimal, and there's very strict rules when it comes to your A+ content. Now, with that being said, I am just curious to how often you guys are updating your Amazon storefronts. Amazon storefronts is a great tool. Our team loves using Amazon storefronts. It's just a really great place to express yourself as a brand and who you are. Now, a new addition to the Amazon storefront is Shoppable Images, where basically you're able to use this feature and bring an image to life, where customers will be able to go ahead and scroll over the images or hover over the images, and they'll be able to click on given products within that image. They'll be able to see the price, they'll be able to add it to their cart directly, or they can be taken to the product detail page for more information. So through this product, obviously, there's just so much you can do. You're really able to showcase the product. You're actually able to do 6 products in a given image. So just so much opportunity. So with the storefront, there's tons of different options out there. There's tons of different things at your disposal. So it is important that you guys are using them because, the more successful you can make your storefront, the better your sponsored brands will be, the more traffic you can send to it. So there's just so much you can do, and our team can help you with that. Now, before we sign off, I've obviously got to talk a little bit about the coronavirus, right? Because that's just so present now in your Amazon business as we head into May. So have your sales been struggling because of the coronavirus? What's interesting about this event, and there's obviously different things that have disrupted e-commerce, that have disrupted small businesses, but this is just a little different because it's not just affecting your businesses, it's affecting your entire life right now, right? So, it's affecting your relationships, it's affecting going grocery shopping, right? There's so many things that it's affecting. You're just surrounded by it day in and day out. With that being said, it's so hard, and this is for everybody. It's so hard to see the positives, see the opportunities that are available from what's happening, right? It's so challenging to see that because, you know, you're just surrounded kind of by this negative kind of energy, right? Because of what's going on. So, you know, our team has gone ahead and brainstormed some different opportunities that we feel you can take advantage of during this pandemic and of course after it as well. So catalog expansion. So I know that sounds really crazy to a lot of you where it's like, oh my gosh, like I can't even imagine expanding my catalog, but hear me out on this. So, you know, yes, like people are struggling, right? Businesses are struggling, but so are your manufacturers, so are your suppliers. This is the time to reach out to them and see, A, can you get a better price on what you're already doing with them? But B, do they have other products at their disposal that you can go ahead and take advantage of? This is the perfect time to go ahead and check out those different opportunities, see if there's anything else that they can do for you. Now, another thing you guys can look into is channel expansion. You know, obviously, you know, we're big supporters of Amazon here at Turnkey. That's no secret. Obviously, we think that Amazon is a powerhouse for businesses like yours. But we do not think that any of you should only be on Amazon. We don't want that for you guys. We don't think that's the right move. We want to see you guys in other areas expanding your businesses, right? So this event truly showed how important it is to diversify your sales channels, right? Because I mean, they shut down the FBA warehouses. They weren't letting you guys send inventory in. There were so many things at play. They extended ship times to be a month long. So having all your eggs in the Amazon basket is not going to pay off for you guys, right? So it is important that you guys are looking at channel expansion. And then of course, another one that really, you know, stuck out to us as just, we're obviously customers just like you guys are, and you're seeing things that other people are doing. And one that really stuck out to us was just marketing with a cause initiative. So, you know, if you have the availability, of course, you know, this isn't something that everyone can do, but if you are able to, go ahead and donate to charities that are in need of help right now, right? That are giving back in this situation. And what's great is you can tell your customers that they are helping you on that mission to give back to those different charities that, you know, are making a difference right now in the world. And that's just a really great way to put yourself out there. So, you know, there's no denying April was so busy. For all brands on Amazon. And, you know, obviously we want to help you. I know I just went through a lot of updates. I know it's a lot of information, but our team is willing to help with that. So reach out to our team by going to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/talk and chat with our experts just about these new updates and how, of course, you can take advantage of them in your Amazon business. So that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. And please reach out to our team. We are here to help always. So thank you so much and have a good day.